dearest brothers and sisters, in times such as these, we've got to exemplify aliveness. And one small way to begin is in the food that we eat. So today, we're going to be making an organic cheesecake. And it's delicious, enlivening, and so filled with life forces and nutrients. So let's begin. Let's begin with some a living tree, alive organic almond butter. We're gonna make a crust, and one of the bases of the crust is going to be alive organic almond butter. We're gonna put that in the crust. We're gonna put, say, a cup of that. Okay. And then to that we're going to add some flame raisins. These are our living tree, alive organic flame raisins. A cup of those. And a cup of Medjool dates. This is a California Medjool date beyond compare. And I have gone ahead and pitted and chopped them so that they process easier. So here we have a cup of Medjool dates. So let's give that a whirl. Let me add a bit of water to help things along. This is, by the way, Mountain Valley spring water, the very, very best there is. You couldn't do better. It goes back to 1870. Okay. And we're going to put the mixture of almond butter, dates, and raisins in our mixing bowl. Okay. And to this we're going to be adding some coconut flakes. This is a cup of coconut flakes. And then we're going to be adding some slivered or sliced almonds, grown right here in the Great Central Valley. Nothing can compare with a California almond. Okay? So let's reiterate. We have our almond butter, our flame raisins, our Medjool dates, our coconut chips, and our almond slices. So let's okay. Okay, and now I have a pie dish on which I put a bit of parchment paper, to prevent it from sticking. And now we're going to put the our crust on the parchment paper. And now let's pat it down. Okay. So, doesn't that look vivacious? Okay. And now I'm going to put this in the freezer so that it will harden off, and then we'll return and make the filling. And now to the filling. It will be made, the base of the filling is going to be our cashew butter. This is our 16-ounce cashew butter. So let's go ahead and let's we make the cashew butter right here in Berkeley. This Berkeley is such a special place. It's a center, a sort of vortex or center of the world spirit. There's no question about that whatsoever. More Nobel Prize winners have taught at the university here than in any other university. It's a center of innovation and creativity, I might say. So here we go. We're using the entire jar of cashew butter as the filling. That's 16 ounces. And then to that we're going to add a quarter cup of maple syrup. I'll just do that by eye. This is our Vermont maple syrup, created by a small producer there. So here is maple syrup, and then our Hawaiian alive organic honey. What a magnificent golden color. Golden color. Every day is springtime in Hawaii. In Hawaii, the bees do not hibernate during winter because there is no such thing as winter there. So they're constantly, but there are different bloom cycles. This flower and then that flower. So this honey is just ecstatic. We feel privileged to offer it. And now, okay, so now let's go ahead and let's give this a whirl. Okay. So there we have it. And as you see, with the honey and maple syrup, it's almost glistening. So let's go ahead and let's get the pie crust that's been in the freezer, and let's add the filling. Let's add the juice of a lemon. And give that a whirl. Okay, so here we have our pie crust. It's been in the freezer for a couple moments. So let us add the filling. Here. And let's So here we have our organic cheesecake, and we're going to top it with raspberries. Here we go. Okay. Well, here we have it. Wintertime in California. And we're doing living food. Your suggestions and comments are treasured by us. We want to hear from you. It has been my privilege to share. Let us go forward.